Hi everyone, good evening. Hi everyone, good evening. So lovely to meet all of you here. Hi. Yes, so many of you joining in. Wow. Thank you so much. Hi everybody. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi. Wow. Oh my god, the amount of hearts. And I'm sending you mine too. So please, lots and lots and lots of love to all of you. I'm doing great. How are all of you? I hope you're all keeping safe. Hi everyone. Hi, so you're all still joining. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm doing great too. And I know this is a very difficult time for all of us with this pandemic, and we are into the second year of it now. I'm doing great. I hope you're all doing fine. Um, my condolences to all those who have lost their near and dear ones. So, um, I'm really sorry for your loss. Thank you so much. You're all still joining. आई होप आप सब लोग ठीक हैं और आप सब अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे हमें अपने आप का सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है. आवर फैमिली एंड ऑफ कोर्स अस. यस. So we hear a lot of news on media also that puts us down. We get into a lot of negative thinking mode. Yes. So please stay away from the rising numbers on the media. Let us make some good use of the time that God has given us. So it is time to focus on ourselves. So I hope you're all, instead of stressing and panicking in this situation, I hope you're all making good use of this time. Yes? You must all cultivate some positive habits, some good habits. Yes? I do yoga and meditation. I hope you are also doing some form of exercise to keep yourselves healthy. तो अगर हम अपने आप को हेल्दी रखेंगे तो हम अपने आस पास के we will increase positivity around us, right? So that was what I wanted to tell you all, and it is also the time where we can explore our passion. So I hope you're all taking that time out for yourself. कुछ भी करिए, आपको आपका जो भी पैशन है, आपको कुकिंग पसंद है या फिर आपको रीडिंग पसंद है. आई लव टू रीड. तो कुकिंग, रीडिंग, whether it is painting or singing, so please go ahead and explore your passions and increase the positivity, increase the positive energy, because that is what is going to keep all of us going at this time. So we all need each other, and thank you so much for all the hearts. This is a big kiss and a big hug with lots and lots of love to all of you. So I want you all to take good care of yourselves, spread positive energy, and and that is possible only when we all take care of ourselves first. So you must, keep calm, keep your cool. I understand there's a lot of news around us. We all listen to it. It is good to keep ourselves updated and aware. Take care of yourself. अपना ध्यान रखिए. मास्क पहनिए. ये टाइम है जब we need to fight this virus. So how are we going to fight this viruses? First, we're going to protect ourselves. We're going to tell people around us to wear a mask at all times and stay safe. Yes, I want you all to cultivate some positive habits like I said before. कुछ भी जो भी आपका मन करे. Yes, a sound mind and a sound body. I'm sure हम सबने सुना होगा. Right. Oh my God, so many hearts. Thank you so much for so much of love and your support. And my heart reaches out to all of you. Thank you so much for all the love. But please, all of you must take care of yourself. And one more thing I wanted to tell you all, it is an important announcement. So just to make myself more accessible to all of you, क्योंकि I know I've been getting a lot of requests. So I just thought, so I have created a Telegram channel. You can subscribe and you can talk to me. So I thought this is a good way to reach out to all of you. You can also reach out to me. So I just thought, let me tell you all. So I will be adding some exciting packages and some gifts also. So all that is coming. So stay tuned for it and subscribe to my channel. And please stay safe, take care of yourselves and of your family members as well. Lots and lots and lots of love to all of you. A big hug and lots of kisses for so much of love. Such lovely comments, and thank God, and I should thank all of you. So please take care, stay safe, wear a mask, cover yourselves properly, yes, and take care of yourself. I'm signing off now. Yes, thank you so much for all the lovely hearts. Right. Take care everyone. I'll come live very soon again. Because just like you all want to meet me, I also want to meet you all. So, of course, I've devised a new way. So feel free. I'm more accessible to all of you now. Take care. Love you all. Bye.